Okay, so copying notes between models is quite simple within Nitro-CELL. I'm going to first open up my Nitro-CELL execution worksheet here. We're going to select our note object type, and we're going to say copy for our action type. Now, the current model is going to be the default. So if I leave this blank, it's going to use whatever is currently active in the display as its source. We can specify a specific model if we want to copy things from one specific model to another. We'll do that later. So I'm going to use the current model that's active there. The note that I'm going to be copying is ENG note 1, and I'm going to copy it to, let's say, the cone model that is currently within our design. If I do nothing, let's take a look at our cone model real quick. You'll see that we don't have any annotations or notes within this model. So if I come back to my test assembly, if I don't put a target model name here, or excuse me, a target note name, it's just going to copy and use the same note name. So by pressing the Do It button, you'll notice that when I go to my cone, you'll see that the annotation is there, and it is ENG note 1, which is what the original source was. We can actually get a little slicker about this. Let's copy that same note from cone.prt to magnet.prt. Gotta spell that right. And we'll give it a new name, new note name. And when I press the Do It button here, it's actually getting the data from what's currently in session, not what's active, just in session, and it's copying it to another model that's in session also. So if I open up that magnet model, you'll notice here that there is my new note name that was copied from the cone model. So very powerful function, very easy to use, and very handy.